All right, welcome to Stu, our automated schedule planning and graduation mapping software. We started off by finding out that students struggle creating their class schedule. They spend way too much time every semester doing so. What this leads to is overbooked academic advisors and students with a lot of problems that ultimately leads them to lose motivation and drop out. So we developed Stu. We want to integrate directly with schools, create four-year degree roadmaps, suggest classes, and be able to integrate, automate, and empower both schools and students. The edtech market is ginormous, and it just keeps growing. So this is what I've been working on for the past year and a half. We started off by building kind of a chat model, moved into this four-year degree roadmap plan where students can create their plan, create their schedule. They set up their profile. They're able to go in here, log in, select their school, make some preferences, transfer some of their credits over here, and ultimately generate a four-year plan. Here's our website. This is where we got a little bit scrappy. Students submit their information and then it sends us an email. We're able to put that to our custom chatbot, which outputs a JSON file with their four-year plan, which I was able to email to all of these students. They click on the link, and then what they're able to do is actually upload the JSON of their plan right here, which is super cool. So that's what I've been working on, and we're super excited for Sandbox